Hey, you there. Yeah, you. Do you ever just find yourself driving to work in the morning and just saying, I hate this job, I wish I could do something else? Well, you're in luck, because I made this video just for you. Roll the intro. Welcome back, guys. My name is Andrew Alvey, and if you don't know who I am a guy on the internet that talks to you from the YouTubes. What we're going to be talking about today is one of my personal favorites. Just kidding, but it is a very popular internet way. Out of breath. What we are going to be talking to you guys about today is affiliate marketing, of course, but not just any affiliate marketing. Today we're going to be talking about a very specific affiliate marketing. So we're going to jump to these 7 passive income ideas. I'm going to link it right here. That was a previous video we did, and today we are discussing Amazon affiliate links. Now, there's a very specific way to do this. Do not click off the video because I know that you've heard enough about Amazon and all those beautiful webinars and ads and FBA and blah, blah, blah. I promise you, this is not that. What we are doing is talking about Amazon and how you can make the monies. You may be asking yourself, what the hell is an affiliate program? Well, let's go to the Googlers. Amazon affiliate program. Ha! Amazon Associates. Earn up to 10% advertising fees with a trusted e-commerce leader.
No way!
This tells you that just by referring traffic to the giant known as Amazon, meaning you're working together with Amazon, you can get a percentage of the sale. The reason this is so great is not only do you get a percentage of the sale, you also get a percentage of whatever else is in the customer's cart for the next 24 hours. That sounds a little bit crazy, but hear me out. You sign up for Amazon Associates, okay? So Amazon Affiliate Program is an amazing platform because it's just a custom link where you can just send people to Amazon, and Amazon does all the rest. They make it easy. They have all the checkouts, the shopping carts. They handle the processing, the customer service, the returns. You don't have to do anything. You just get people to click through your link. Whether they buy or not, you have the potential to make money. This is a very simple system. This is how Amazon Affiliates works. Most times when you click an affiliate link, you end up on some crazy freaking nutso website that you've never heard of, and you're like, what the hell am I doing here? I don't trust this. I'm out. Well, that doesn't happen with Amazon, because when people click Amazon affiliate links, they end up on Amazon and they're like, oh, I'm comfortable here.
I love Amazon. This is where I got my niece's sweater and my kids' toys and my couch.
So when you go below a video and they see a link that says purchase now on Amazon, more customers are likely to click that. You have this retail giant behind you that is literally giving you credibility and making you look good. Anybody can do this, by the way. I don't care if you're 12, I don't care if you're 16, I don't care if you're 24, I don't care if you're 82. Can 82-year-olds do Amazon Associates? So we're gonna break this down for you very simply. Step 1, the most important, choose your niche. I don't care whether it's workout, if it's technology, if it's weight loss, if it's video recording, microphones, cameras, if it's music, it's headphones, amps, speakers, things like that. Choose your niche. Now, a lot of the ones I just named are popular in the physical product world. Amazon is all about physical products. Make sure you pick something popular in that field, okay? Step 2, this is important, comparison videos, okay? Comparison video compares 2 products together, and it gives you double the keywords, double the chances to make the money, okay? Show you a quick example. Beats versus AirPods. Ooh, pretty. Go down here. Boom! Amazon affiliate links. How to get Beats, how to get AirPods. You just got Power Beats Pro, AirPods 2, keywords, like crazy. Step 1 is choose your niche. Step 2 is comparison content. Step 3 is put the affiliate links in the videos. Not in the videos, but put the affiliate links down below the videos. And then make sure you tell the people with step 4. Step 4 is a call to action. Make sure you actually tell people that they have Amazon affiliate links in the description they can click that will take them to Amazon to purchase the product. When people are on YouTube, you have to keep in mind they have buying intent, meaning people want to purchase. They're usually searching to compare an item to see which one's better. They're gonna look at a few videos. That's how I've bought in every single thing in my office, from this Streamlight to this Shure microphone to this Rode extension arm. to this Mac that I'm filming on, to this stand-sit desk that you're currently looking at that does these cool tricks. Goes up and down, baby. All these items that I currently have, I bought on Amazon, not because I wanted to, because I needed to do research, and somebody put together a video detailing all the positives, the research, everything that I needed to know that I was searching for on the interwebs. And then, because they did a good job, I thought, wow, they're totally right. I'm gonna buy this fucking desk right now. Let's look up a few examples to really understand what I'm talking about here, okay? Alrighty. Sorry, I was doing a little bit of research earlier. YouTube. All right, so what we're gonna do is search any item. Let's do this. Rode microphone. Okay, is the Rode microphone good? I have no idea. Best wireless mic for under $200. First GoPro mic. Let's check that out. Woo! Caleb, how you doing, sir? How you doing? Let's see what you got in this show. Oh, you got Amazon affiliate links. You, my friend, tricky. You almost got me there. I click on the links and it takes me to none other than a $229 microphone. This guy is gonna make between 5 and 10% commission off of this microphone for every person that clicks this. Now let's do some basic math. 631,000 views. Now let's say only 1 out of every 1,000 people click the links, okay? Probably more, but we'll be conservative. So that's 631 people. Now of those 631 people, let's say 100 buy. 100 buy a $229 product, $22,900. Now what happens when these people buy $1,000 fucking kayaks and 20-pound dildos and whatever the fuck else people buy on Amazon? That is where the magic of this comes into play. I know for a fact more than 1 in 1,000 definitely click those links. I just gave my cart for the next 24 hours, and yes, I'll probably order some shit because I'm addicted just like you. Anybody can do this. I'll go back to YouTube. The tech field is massive, okay? MacBook. Whoo-wee! You're talking 2-3 grand. Let's see what we got. Ooh, MacBook Pro versus Air full comparison. 500,000 views. Bah! Come buy it on frickin' oh, what is this? Genius.com. That was probably Amazon. Yeah, come buy this on Amazon.com. It's only $1,700. Come get it, boys. Once you start selling MacBooks, you are a freaking legend. You're the king of YouTube, the king of Amazon affiliates, and you're a baller. You want to make videos that are informative and creative, and don't think it's too late. For you guys thinking it's too late, like I can't do this, people have already talked about it. Let me show you my boy over here, okay? This is my boy, ODI. What I'm talking about here is the Beats Solo 3 wireless. This man does an honest review. What does that even mean? Honest review 2017, okay? So for you thinking, is it too late? When did Beats come out? 2008! This man does an affiliate review. I understand there's different versions, but look at the fucking picture. It's the same thing. This man does an affiliate review 10 years later.
Damn.
And guess what? His video is freaking ranking 391,000 views, and this video was put out 2 years ago. This product has been around forever. You don't have to be the first one. He could have thought, well, there's been hundreds of Beats reviews before me, blah, 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 blah. Well, guess what? He did the video anyways. Find something that you're into and you're passionate about that you can sell. So the next question is, now that you know how to sell it, YouTube videos, you know where to get the links, go to Amazon. It's simple. Sign up with that one program. Everybody trusts it. The third is, how do you get the money to buy all the items? Well, you should already have the items at your house. You should not be a little Bama, and you should know, wow, this is a nice microphone on a freaking Rode arm. Wow, this is a nice freaking iPhone that I carry every day that I can do a review on. A pop socket, what do you know? I don't care if you send somebody to Amazon for a freaking 10-cent pop socket. You can still get 1% of their $1,000 kayak and their freaking MacBook and everything else in their cart. If you guys are interested in more items like this, make sure you join the Facebook group. Make sure you guys subscribe. Join the strongest family on earth. Real passive income. It's real. It's a movement. If you guys are fed up with your jobs, you guys are looking to do something different, stay tuned. We're going to keep giving you more ideas. Punch that subscribe button in the face. Like this video. YouTube loves it. I love it. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Andrew Alvey out.